Tesla bought Optimus and Ameca Robot are humanoid robots. Tesla Robot is created by Tesla Incorporated, leveraging its expertise in AI, self-driving technology, and robotics. Ameca Robot was developed by Engineered Arts, a UK-based company specializing in humanoid robotic platforms. Tesla Robot is designed for practical and functional tasks. It focuses on automating repetitive and labor-intensive jobs, such as manufacturing, logistics, and domestic chores. It serves as a multi-purpose assistant in homes and workplaces. Ameca Robot is designed for human-robot interaction. It is used in research, education, and demonstrations to showcase advanced human-like behavior and communication. It focuses on realism in interaction rather than physical task execution. Tesla Robot is designed with a sleek, functional look, prioritizing practicality over human-like realism. It is built with lightweight materials and a minimalistic design. It is optimized for functionality and safety, with a target height of around 173 centimeters and a weight of 57 kilograms. Ameca Robot features a highly realistic humanoid appearance, with expressive facial features and smooth body movements. It is designed to mimic human anatomy for interaction purposes, not heavy lifting or task automation. It focuses on aesthetics and realism in motion and expression.